Wait a minute, I'm picking up something.
Enhance that image. Coordinates locked, it's the Bugatti.
Alright team, let's move. Launch the recovery drones.
Finally, the crane begins lifting the Bugatti slowly from the ocean floor after decades underwater.
This is extensive. The saltwater damage goes deep into the electrical systems. It's an impossible project, but we have a crane. The legendary Bugatti engine is carefully lifted from the chassis, revealing the catastrophic saltwater damage underneath. From the open road to the depths of the ocean, the journey to restore this masterpiece began.